If you watched our last episode, you saw the windows got installed and look amazing. But we found a few leaks after the first rain. So we're giving the windows lots of attention to make sure the water stays out. Shane used several tactics, including stitch welding. He used products like closed cell spray foam on the inside of the containers and then caulk all around the windows on the outside. He even used mastic tape, but we still found small leaks in both containers. Shane had even more ideas to keep the water out. Unfortunately, he didn't have a chance to explore them. Everything came to a halt when Shane says a car turned right out in front of him and totaled his truck. That wasn't even the worst part of the accident. Shane had a cut that was skull deep, had several fractures, headaches, and now he's got a lifetime of back pain. But he is okay. He went through months of physical therapy, and now he's just trying to move forward with putting his life back together. In the meantime, we still need to focus on those window leaks, so we started over. We took out the foam since it didn't completely fill the voids. So instead, we used a recommended clear sealant.
It can actually be put on top of water and seal water out. It dries extremely quickly.
That's Tom with Tom Russell. He and his crew resealed all of the windows, then prepared to frame. Tom studied the plans, measured the floors, then it was time for some cutting. After stapling the 2x4s into the floor, the crew laid the insulation and installed the subfloor. Next, we rolled another coat of our eco-friendly sealant for off-gassing on top of the subfloor, and the crew spent the day framing the walls.
It's looking so good, right?
So good.
In the next Green Desert Off-Grid episode, after rain and a water hose, no more leaks, so we can move on to the insulation.
I don't know if your hands are supposed to be all on there.
Okay.
Even with Sophia breaking the rules, we are so excited to be seeing some real progress. That is, until the city said we had to stop working.
They're just giving us a hard time, and I'm over it.
Houston, we have another problem. It looks like we're heading in your direction. It's time to get the family land ready for the she shed.